The first step is to cut out 6 squares of 7 cm by 7 cm. Once you've cut out all the squares, you can either decorate it with photographs, doodle, or write something on it. I've used photographs which are 6 cm in size. Now take a sheet of paper with the measurements shown on the screen. Take the squares we previously made, place it at the corners and draw a line as shown. So from this line, we'll be making 5 more lines. In total, there'll be 6, and the gap between each line would be 1 cm. Once you draw all the lines, fold as shown in the video. The total number of lines will depend on how many squares you've taken. Since I've taken only 6 squares, there should be 6 lines in total. If you decide to take 5 squares, then there'll be 5 lines in total. So now we can start gluing the squares that we prepared. You just have to apply glue right below the fold and repeat this for the rest. And this is how it looks. There is one last step remaining. Take a piece of paper with the measurements shown on the screen. The part where we put our first picture, that's where you want to glue this piece of paper. Just follow the video closely and you will be able to do it. And that's it. This is a very simple but a beautiful card. If you want to place this waterfall card in another white sheet of paper, or you want to place it in a scrapbook, all you have to do is glue this strip right here onto the paper.